If you've been grinding at the gym for weeks or even months, putting in serious effort, but you're not seeing real changes, trust me, I get it. I've been there. You feel stuck, frustrated, maybe even start questioning if you're cut out for this at all. But let me tell you, it's not your genetics, and it's not just bad luck. You're probably making one or more of these 5 natural mistakes that are just silently killing your progress. Mistake number 1, training too much, too hard, too often. I know it sounds crazy, but more isn't always better. If your body isn't recovering, it's not growing. You've got to train smart, not just hard. Mistake number 2, eating too little or eating clean, but not enough calories or protein. You can't build muscle on fumes. It doesn't matter how many green smoothies you drink. If you're not eating enough, especially protein, you're not going to grow. You need fuel, not just broccoli and chicken. Number 3, changing your workout every week. Look, I know new routines are exciting, but stop jumping from plan to plan. Stick to one routine and actually track your lifts. Progress happens with consistency, not chaos. Number 4, terrible sleep and stress. If you're sleeping 5 hours, scrolling your phone until 2 a.m., and stressing all day, your body is in survival mode, not muscle mode. Rest is where you grow, not just in the gym. And mistake number 5, no tracking, no feedback, no patience. You can't fix what you don't measure. Take pictures, write down your workouts, and give yourself time. Real transformation takes patience. If any of this hit home, it's because I've made these mistakes too. But when I fixed them, everything changed for me. And I know it can for you as well. So if you want real natural fitness advice, no supplements, no hype, just results, subscribe to Awais FitNation. Want to fix these mistakes? Subscribe to Awais FitNation, new videos every week. Let's crush your goals together.